Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon Business for EV maintenance supplies. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Amazon Business for EV maintenance supplies, first, navigate to the Amazon website. In the top right corner, locate and click on the Accounts and Lists drop-down. From the menu, select Start here next to New Customer. Choose Create an Amazon Business account on the following page. Fill in the required fields with your business information. This includes your name, email address, and a strong password. Click on Create your Amazon Business account once all information is filled. You will receive a verification email to the address you provided. Open that email and click on the verification link. Return to the Amazon website and log in with your new account credentials. Next, complete the business profile by providing additional details. Enter your business name, address, and phone number. Choose the type of business entity you represent. Select whether you have a tax exemption certificate. After filling in your profile, click Save and Continue. Now, you can explore the Amazon Business Marketplace. Type EV maintenance supplies into the search bar. Filter results by selecting categories or specific brands that suit your needs. Review product details, ratings, and prices for each item. When you find what you need, click on the product to view it. Select the quantity you wish to purchase, then click Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout by clicking on the shopping cart icon. Choose your preferred shipping address and payment method. Confirm your order details and click on Place your order. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive an email confirmation. Access your order history anytime through the Your Orders section. Explore features like bulk purchasing or business-only pricing for future needs. Now you can efficiently manage and purchase EV maintenance supplies for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.